Hello there, it's me, Tech Reformist here, and today I'm back with another quick tutorial on how to create a system restore point on Windows 10 and 11. This tutorial works on both Windows versions. So, let's get started. First of all, we head over to the search bar in the bottom left corner. From here, we search up System Restore Point and click on Open. When we are here, we click on Configure and make sure System Protection is on. When that is done, we go back and simply click on Create. And make sure to name it something that reminds you of what happened or something similar to that. I also like to include the date the restore point is created. And after that, just click on Create. Now that it's installed, you're good to go. So yeah, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.